do we get participants to take action after a session? Well, first of all, I don't think that we can be entirely responsible for what happens outside of the room. All we can do is create an opportunity within the session to do something that gives post workshop action the best chance of showing it. And one of the ways I like to do that is to invite participants to make a cheat sheet. And what I mean by that is I invite participants to imagine that all of their handouts, all of their notes, all of the scribbles they've made throughout the workshop get blown away as they leave the room and stomped into a puddle of mud. And all they're left with is this one-page cheat sheet that they're going to make right now. And I give them 5 or 10 minutes to flip through all their handouts, their notes, their scribbles, and just write on one single page anything they really want to remember, any actions that they're really committed to take. And then near the end of that time, that 5 or 10 minutes, however long I've given them, I invite them to focus again and say, looking at that one page cheat sheet, what is one action that you're committed to taking in the next 24 hours, just to put some of that stuff into action, to get momentum on something? Now, that's not earth-shattering. I'm sure there's lots of facilitators who ask that question. But the next question I ask is what makes all the difference. And that question is, what's one thing that will stop you from putting that commitment into action over the next 24 hours? And what will you do about it to make sure that doesn't happen? So it's not enough to say what's the action you're going to take in the next 24 hours. The next step is, and what will stop you from doing it? What will stop you following through on that commitment? And what can you do about it? So there you go. That's a simple way to create an opportunity to reflect. It won't guarantee action, but it will give action a better chance of showing up.